Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crochet patterns, crochet fruit and vegetable ideas, different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, easy made crochet vegetables and fruit designs. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and stylish fruits and vegetable designs. Those ladies who love such type of crochet patterns, crochet ideas, stylish designs. Friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful crochet ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos, you can decorate your home with your crochet patterns, beautiful patterns. If you know crochet work, you can easily make crochet ideas, beautiful ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives a feedback in the comment section about my collection. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.